What is up, guys? BeeJayDeL here to announce the day one winner of Make Art May, which is my annual drawing challenge. 31 days in May, 31 days of daily drawing prompts. So this is year 3 doing this and changing it up a little bit because I'm picking a daily winner. One artist picked from the previous day's prompt and featuring them in a video like you see here. Day 1's prompt was Mountain, and the winner for day 1 is Blue Moon Cartoons, with this really cool minimalist mountain design and a really cool vintage texture to kind of round out everything. So congratulations, Blue Moon Cartoons. They are linked and tagged in this post, so be sure to check them out. And this year's contest is actually sponsored by my company, ProDraw, and to celebrate the release of our ProDraw grip for Apple Pencil being available on Amazon, we're giving every single winner this month one of the ProDraw grips. So if you want your chance to win one of those and want to take part in the challenge, you can pause the video here for the complete prompt list or check out my feed to grab it and then tune back in tomorrow to see the winner for day 2. Until then, keep creating.